Hello guys. So this is a market analysis for today. All right. So what we're trying to do is just right now we'll be to look into the markets. Please mute yourself when you come in. Thank you. Okay, so what we're doing now is that we want to analyze the markets to find possible trading opportunities, that we can get into, right? Yeah, so this is USD-JPY, and USD-JPY has been selling a bit this morning, has been selling this morning. What we are expecting on USD-JPY right now is for price to hit this area here, and we'll buy from here. And why are we looking to buy? Because we are still in an uptrend on USD-JPY. We are still in an uptrend on USD-JPY. The downtrend has not resumed yet, right? So, and that's the reason why we're looking to get on a buy around this area, So yeah, that's the target we have on this trade right now. Let's see what our parameters are. So we're going to be doing a buy limit, buy USD-JPY buy limit, USD-JPY buy limit. Okay, so what's the price? Entry price 147.741. 147. Okay. So entry price 147.741. That's the entry price. Then we have stop loss. Then we have take profit. Okay, so let's look at what are stop loss and take profit to be. These are stop loss. Stop loss 147.441. 147.441 stop loss. Take profit is let's see that. Take profit is 148.741. 148.741. 148.741. So this is the parameters we have right now for USD-JPY. For USD-JPY. So I'm going to post this in the group. Let me see. So these are the parameters we have right now for USD-JPY. USD-JPY trade. USD-JPY trade. So that's for USD-JPY. Let's see what else do we have. Where else do we have a potential trade to take? So this is Euro USD. This Euro USD. Euro USD, it's meant to sell, right? The bias on Euro USD is still a sell, but the Euro USD usually has a relationship with the dollar index that is opposite, right? That's opposite. So what we're going to be expecting on the Euro USD is for it to sell, because dollar index, we still expect the dollar index to buy, but the price action there looks a bit funny somehow. Okay, so for now, we will be looking to we'll hold off on that for now. We'll hold off on that for now, and then for the USD CHF, we should be expecting some kind of a sell coming soon on USD CHF. we're expecting a sell on USD CHF. So USD CHF right now has reached or is reaching some high, is reaching a high. So yeah, so we're expecting price to break out of this place upwards. If price breaks out of this place upward, we'll still hold on to see if it starts to reverse somewhere around here, right? If it starts to reverse somewhere around here, we will not be entering on a buy, even if price breaks out of this place. But we could be entering on a sell. We could be entering on a sell. We could be entering on a sell if price breaks below this place. If price comes below here, we could be entering on the sell on this. But we're going to leave USD CHF for now. We need to be able to see some clarity before we proceed on that, right? Let's check NZD USD. Let's do this. This GBP NZD. What do we have here? So GBP NZD has been on a very massive rally. Can you see this? Massive, massive rally. Massive rally. It's been buying like crazy. It's been buying really, really crazy, right? So, and at this point, with this huge, massive rally right now, we don't really see anything that is hitting some sort of a resistance at this top. But based on what we see on this chart, it looks as if price is likely to still come all the way to this top, right? So if price is still going to come all the way to that top, that means we still have some buy opportunity to go. We still have buy opportunity above here. We still have a buy opportunity above them. But then let's watch this and see where is price likely to get to before we can buy again, before we can make a buy trade again, right? So for me, I'll be looking at this area here. This is the area I'll be targeting for another buy. So this is support level here. So this support level here is where I'll be expecting to see price get to before I buy again. This is support level here where I'll be seeing price get to before I place a buy trade again on USD, on GBP NZD. All right, so now for us to trade on this, we're expecting a buy. So we're going to enter a trade somewhere here. And then we're going to be expecting price to, so our stop loss is going to be about 50 pips, while our take profit is going to be around 130, 140 pips. That's going to be our target. So our take profit is going to be around 140 pips. That's quite large, but then that is the potential on this trade, right? That's the potential on this trade. So this also is going to be a buy limit. This GBP NZD. This is also going to be a buy limit. So GBP NZD buy limit. GBP NZD buy limit, right? So we expect entry price, stop loss, take profit. So guys, when you're entering these trades, make sure you are using proper risk management. Proper risk management means that you are using a lot size that's commensurate with your account, right? Don't take too large a position on your account. You have to know what your account can take before you enter any trade, right? So make sure, no matter how accurate a trade is, no matter how accurate a trade setup is, you should not risk too much on your account on it. And no matter how inaccurate a trade setup may be, it will not destroy your account if you use proper risk management. If you use proper risk management, your account will still remain intact, even if you have a bad trade or a couple of bad trades, right? So that's the thing. So you have to know what account size you have so that you can use that to determine what lot size you should be using on every trade. Okay. So this is GBP NZD. That's it. trade on GBP NZD. These trades are most likely not even going to play out today like that because we have today the market is already today is Friday, so the market is going to slow down this afternoon. Of course, you can't really tell. The market can still make that move you're expecting, right? So that's the thing. So let's see what else do we have here. Gold seems to be changing direction and buying. The direction on gold has changed and is buying. So let's see, where could we have an opportunity on gold? Where could we have a chance on gold to enter for a buy trade on gold? Right now, we will not be entering this trade. Let's see. Now, this is a resistance area here, right there on gold. It's a resistance area. So before I will be looking to enter a trade, I want to see gold. Before I will be looking to enter a trade, I want to see gold break out of this area here. I want to see gold break out of this area. When gold breaks out of there, then that's when I'll be interested in taking a gold trade. But for now, I will not be taking any gold trade. I want to make sure that we establish a very clear direction on gold before we can enter it, right? So not clear enough yet. So we're going to keep our eyes on that and just watch it. We'll keep our eyes on that and just watch. Let's see what else we have. Okay. So this is what pair is this? Okay, this is good. Let's take this one out. GBP USD, what are we seeing on GBP USD? Let's see NZD USD. Let's see oil. Let's just scroll through and see what pairs, what currency pairs we have we could take trades on today. So we've got into trades already, NZD USD and the gold, NZD USD and the USD JPY. Okay. So let's see. CAD CHF are just been on an upward trajectory. GBP AUD has been selling so mad this morning, so crazily this morning, so crazily this morning. Okay, let's look at this and see where is this going. Is it changing direction? Is it telling us to still buy? Because from what we can see, NZD GBP AUD has been buying for a very long time. So, but let's see now, is it changing direction? What is it doing? What is it doing? It doesn't look like it's changing direction. It looks as if it's making a pullback. It doesn't look as if it's changing direction. It looks as if it's making a pullback, right? So somewhere around this area here is where we'll be making a buy on this one, right? So for now, we'll just leave that alone. We're not clear about that yet. We'll leave that alone. Yeah. Okay. This is AUDCHF. AUDCHF is on a buying spree, buying, right? So, but for this time, we can see something here. We can see that AUDCHF is currently breaking out of a resistance zone now. It's currently breaking out of a resistance zone. And because it's breaking out of a resistance zone, we are going to allow it to break out first. Once it breaks out of here, let's say in another 30 minutes or so, by 11 o'clock, we should see what AUDCHF is doing. And then that will give us a clear picture as to what we should be doing as well. Okay. Very likely we will be seeing a buy somewhere around here. We'll be seeing a buy somewhere around here. So, but of course we need to, okay, let's mark that one, make sure that that's a AUD, USD CAD is selling. Okay. AUD USD, AUD JPY. We're just going through to see where we could find another trade opportunity right here. So this is AUD, Euro AUD. So Euro AUD is what we are seeing here right now. And Euro AUD looks like probably a potential buy too, but let's look at higher time frame to see what it's doing. Okay, this is still, let's check this out. This pair was selling a bit a few days ago. Now it started buying heavily like this. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this looks like a buy too. This looks like he's going to buy too. Most likely where I'll be looking at this buy now is this area here, this gray area here. Okay, let's check this out. So even at this point right now, it, it looks as if price may even be buying around this area here right now. This area here is currently a support zone. Is a support zone right now. Here is a support zone. And then there's another support zone here, this area here. There's another support zone at this area here. So this is how this one is likely gonna play out. This AUD, this Euro AUD. Euro AUD should be buying from this area here around about now, or if it breaks out of here, we should be seeing it buy from here. Okay, so probably we'll leave that for now. Let's look at other pairs. GBP CHF. Okay, so for GBP CHF, let's see what we've got on GBP CHF. Okay. So this Euro AUD is something we'll keep an eye on. We won't enter any trade right now, but we'll keep an eye on it and see what opportunities we'll get there much later. Seems like price is buying from here, but I'm suspecting that price is going to break it out and come here. And if it comes here, then that would be a very good place for a buy. But for now, I'm not very sure about this current area here. I would like to see price break out of here, come here before we can make a buy trade. Okay. All right, so this is just for us to quickly look into the market and see where trade opportunities are. So if this one breaks out of here, I'll be watching that. If it breaks out and comes to this point, once it breaks out of here, I know it's going to come here. So I'm most likely I will be setting a pending order. I'll drop it also in the group. Okay, so this is mainly just to help us come into the chart, quickly look at the market and look at where opportunities will arise today. So in the fundamental, on the fundamental side, to this, we don't really have a lot of news today. We only had one news this morning affecting the GBP, right? So this is actually why GBP pairs seem to be selling this morning. All right, so yeah, so for later today we have a consumer sentiment which is going to affect the USD by 4 p.m. right? So that's another thing that's going to affect the USD today, right? So yeah, but these are not really, they are not huge events like that, but then this one now, this retail sales seems to be affecting the pound this morning, right? So yeah, this is where we'll put a stop to the class. I'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll have another recap tomorrow by 10 a.m. So we're going to be doing that 10 a.m. tomorrow. So join us. I'll see you guys tomorrow.